Hey there, Big Yellow. You wanna race? What about you, Bluebird? Today I took my son and grandson to one of the La Centera car shows. As we prepared to take a photo with this nice green Lamborghini, the owner had another idea. His brother opened a small trunk up front and pulled out an RC lowrider. As we drove both cars slowly down the concourse, we got lots of spectator attention. They all wanted photos. I'm told he's also a racer at Houston RC. This was my second car show there, and last time I took my 1930 Hot Rod Coupe. Hope you enjoyed this.